Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today is day 11 of 12 tags for 12 days of Christmas. The prompt is presents. So I'm going to use the Holly Jolly Simple Stories collection to create this tag. It's going to be a very simple and easy tag. I'm going to cut the sentiments and I'm going to place them over the tags. I'm going to put some fake fur on her boots and I'm going to ink the edges, and that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. And this tag is complete. I love the way I added a few things just to add dimension and to keep its simplicity and beauty. So I hope this inspires you as well. Well, tomorrow's day 12 of 12 tags for 12 days of Christmas, so stay tuned. And don't forget to watch Lisa's and Eileen's channels for their tags. Give this video a like and comment below and tell me what you think. Until next time, and God bless.